Eason. Score 6-1 in favor of Valley Tatalon, Valley Friend. We would like to acknowledge the presence of Jopet Crisologo. Kuya Jopet! Hi! Bigay din ang binenta namin dito sa Taribo. Okay, back to the ball game. Service. Tatalon. Ay. Doon naman talaga mag-receive ate. Alam mo na napansin ko kayo po sa pilat. Diba? Ang sutak na tayo. Baka naman, ilis nyo naman. Ay, sus. Set. Ay, walang pumalo. Oh, 25 na to ha. Not one score in favor of Tatalon. Yes. Outside. Score 10-1 in favor of 10-2 in favor of Tatalon Valley Friend. And 10-3. Service. Rebel. Receive. Sinagyan tayo kay Joseph. Pinalo! Nakuha! Ayan na! Daniela, nagpupupit ka kasi. Service by Rebel. Receive the Dero. Pinaya na lang ni Daniela. Score. Outside. Service by Rebel. Na! Hindi ka ganyan maglaro, alam ko. Service by Rebel. Score 10-5 in favor of Tatalon Friends with 5 points. Ayan! Pinago ni Joseph. Pinago. Score by Tatalon Valley Friend. Service. Ano yung sigaran, girlie? Ayaw. Wait lang. Receive. Ayan. Ay! Hindi kayo nakita yun! Wala kami nakita na yung violation. Receive. Ayan, free ball. Ay, receive mo pero papalit sa pen. Score 12-35 in favor of Tatalon Valley Friend. Service. Score by Tatalon Friend. Score 45 in favor of Tatalon. Service. Time out by Rebels. Ano daw? Nagiinit pa lang naman. Huwag kayo masyadong ano. Nagiinit pa. Siyempre. Rebel Warlords, Rebel Sorcerers. Service by Tadalo. Ganyan. Out. Receive, sinet, ena! Inside. Lumalaban yung buong ni Daniela. Sabay awit. Score 16-6 in favor of Catalan. Substitution 10 out, 2 in. Si Sky. Hala! Hala! Receive, sinet. Ayan na si Quatro. Check ball. By number 23, Seppi. Kailangan pa rin si Seppi. Joseph. Service. By number 22. Right. We go. Receive. Right. Hindi nakuha. Magtitigan po talaga kayong dalawa. Score 99 in favor of Tatalon. Rally Brand. Service by Sorcerers. Outside. Score 21-9 in favor of Tatalon. Si Libero. Oh, quick. By number 4. Score 22-9 in favor of Tatalon. Rally Friends. Up, outside, no check ball. Ayun, sabay lang dyan siya. Ay, sleep, serve. Score, 23-10, malapit na. Kaya yan. Nag-time up ko talaga. Playtime na bakla ah. Huwag ka ano, bali-bali ni Tempa. Inulit ka talaga sa akin dahil. Daniela, napagupit ka lang mga heart. Service by number 15, Andal. And the first game! Kamay po, congratulations, Tatalong. Nahirapan kayo? Pinawisan?